Hello dear students, welcome back to 8th grade mathematics class. I hope that all of you be healthy. Today we are going to study a new subject which is related to geometry, and it is a very interesting title, okay? The Pythagorean Theorem. At first, what does the Pythagorean Theorem state? Statement. In a right triangle, it's a triangle that one of the angle is 90 degree. In a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse, repeat after me, hypotenuse. It means that in a right triangle we have one of the long side which is called hypotenuse, okay? Hypotenuse is equal. The square of hypotenuse is equal to what? The square of them. This is the hypotenuse is square of them. It means c to the power of 2 is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of what? The legs. Okay, there are two legs. One is this, B, and other is A. Okay, we are going to study the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. Okay, what does Pythagorean theorem says? That if you have this type of triangle, right angle triangle, C square is equal to B square plus A square, or A square plus B square. And also we can use as the vertices A to B. It means a square of this side is equal to a square of BC plus a square of AB. A square of AB square is equal to what? BC whole to the power of 2 plus AC to the power of 2. Or in short we say C square is equal to A square plus B square. Now there is one example that I want to do for you. Example 1, that by using Pythagorean theorem we can find x. So find x by Pythagorean theorem. So you know that the square of hypotenuse, as this, a square of hypotenuse is equal to a square of one leg, it is called leg, plus a square of another leg, or the sum of a square of these two legs. So let me simplify it. 10 to the power of 2 is 100. It is equal to x to the power of 2. 8 to the power of 2 is 64. We can bring 64 to the left side. It means 100 minus 64 is equal to x square. 100 minus 64 is 36. And which number multiply itself to become 36? You know that. This is the answer. Another example for you. In here, you have to think that this is hypotenuse because it is the long side. Okay? We can find this. X square is equal to one leg, the sum of, plus 3 to the power of, x square is equal to 4 square, plus 3 to the power of 2 is 9. X square is equal to 25. Which number multiply itself to become 25? X square. It is 5. Okay. And there were two examples related to the Pythagorean theorem. And in general, we say that if we have a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of what? Legs. And it was all for today. Best of luck. See you, and follow us in YouTube channel Afghan-Turk and see you.